I've never come out and did this kind of things before. If you are talking about the economics, I've never doing this not in jazz.
Ọ̀tẹ̀ ló ń jẹ́ ló ń pè ọ́ kò sẹ́ni tí ò lórúkọ tiẹ̀ àti wípé ọmọ kì í gọ̀ títí sẹ́ẹ̀ kó gbàgbé orúkọ ara rẹ̀. Ààfin tèmi ò nílò ìdánimọ̀ lọ́jà tó bá dọ́jà báyìí wọ́n á mọ̀ kó dọ́jà ni. Èmi tí ń tòótọ́ Samuel Owóyẹmí fẹ́lẹ́fẹ́lẹ́ láyé lórúkọ mi fẹ́lẹ́ ní gbogbo ìyẹn mọ̀ mí sí. Èmi náà kọ́ Ọlọ́run ọba òkè ló fún mi ṣe ní gbogbo ìgbà.
Gbajúgbajà ọmọdékùnrin tí ń gbé orí ẹ̀rọ ayélujára TikTok sọ̀rọ̀ Peller ni ó ti sọ di mímọ̀ wípé òun ti ń rí ìdúnkokò ikú gbà láti ọ̀dọ̀ àwọn ọmọ orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà lẹ́yìn tí òun rọ àwọn ọmọ orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà láti dẹ́kun àti máa sọ̀rọ̀ pariwo lórí ẹ̀rọ ayélujára lábẹ́ ètò kan tí wọ́n pè ní #30 Rant Challenge èyí tí ó ń lọ lórí ẹ̀rọ ayélujára. Peller ni ó ti kojú ọ̀rọ̀ kùngbákùngbé lẹ́yìn tí ó rọ àwọn ọmọ orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà láti dẹ́kun àti máa bu ẹnu àtẹ́ lu ìṣèjọba tí kò dára lábẹ́ ètò náà tí wọ́n pè ní #30 Rant Challenge. Ó wá yànnàná wípé tí wọ́n bá ń tẹ̀síwájú láti máa bu ẹnu àtẹ́ lu ìṣèjọba tí kò dára yìí ó ṣeéṣe kó yọrí sí bí ìkànnì TikTok yóò ṣe gbégi dínà àǹfààní TikTok lórí lédè Nàìjíríà. Eléyìí yóò sì ṣokùnfà bí òun kò ṣe ní rí owó mọ́ nípasẹ̀ TikTok tí òun ń ṣe lójoojúmọ́. Ètò rẹ̀ lórí ẹ̀rọ ayélujára láìpẹ́ yìí ni Peller ti sọ di mímọ̀ wípé àwọn èèyàn kan ni wọ́n ti ń fi ọ̀rọ̀ ìdúnkokò ikú láti yìnbọn fún òun ránṣẹ́ sí òun gẹ́gẹ́ bí wọ́n ṣe yìnbọn fún ọ̀rẹ́ rẹ̀ akẹgbẹ́ rẹ̀ Ọlọ́ba Sàló ní agbègbè Lẹ́kì ní ìpínlẹ̀ Èkó lọ́dún tí ó kọjá. Ó sọ di mímọ̀ sí ìwájú wípé òun ti ń rí àwọn ìdúnkokò ikú gbà. Bákan náà àwọn èèyàn kan ni wọ́n ti ń dúnkokò mọ́ òun láti yìnbọn fún òun bí wọ́n ṣe yìnbọn fún Sàló ní Lẹ́kì Phase 1. Wọ́n ti rọ òun wípé tí òun bá jáde kí òun wà lójúfò kí òun sì máa wòyìn ní gbogbo ìgbà.
inú ìta ni wọ́n rán mi sí.
Ṣé mo sì di tàbí kọ́ yín lọ́kọ́ ni mo ṣe wà?
No, ó dìgbà tó bá tó bọ́ síta kémi náà tó sọ̀rọ̀ because you're just talking. Àbí ṣé mi lọ sí ilé alágbàfọ̀ ni? Àbọ̀rọ̀ bí.
Controversial streamer Peller has claimed that he has been receiving death threats after he urged Nigerians to stop the ongoing #30 Rant Challenge on TikTok. Peller has faced significant backlash after urging Nigerians to refrain from criticizing poor governance under the 30 Days Rant Challenge. He highlighted that continued criticism could lead to ban on the platform in Nigeria, which would affect his livelihood. During a recent live stream, Peller claimed that some person threatened to shoot him like they shot his colleague Aloba Salo in the Lekki area of Lagos State last year. He said, "I have been receiving threats. Some people threatened to shoot me like they shoot Salo in Lekki Phase 1. They asked me to watch my back when going out. What is all this? I am not talking again. Goodbye."
I've never come out and did this kind of things before. If you are talking about the economics, I've never doing this not in jazzy. You people as a special right then I'm ready to tell you I'll go find it, okay? I base in Lekki. I am born in Ibadan, but I am cooling in Ikorodu.
I know they play with friends because they know more friends. If time I no go there, if I go there, talk set. I be Instagram boy, I be flex Instagram. I go to use to bow.
What's your name?
What's my name? Jenny. My name's Jenny.
You're sexy. No, you are sexy. I'm not lying to you. You are a beautiful girl. Don't worry. I follow you. You not even follow me back.
We follow each other. We're friends.
I like and go. No glory. No glory. Sure you no glory. Why you put me on your page? You know how your page go. No glory. Go. You know no glory.
You not tag my account.
I don't tag your account as south. You people too. You are a devil people.
Hi everyone, it's Peller. I know you have been begging me for updates. I got you covered, don't worry. Do you know you can be earning from doing the same activity you do here on TikTok every day? You can be earning from just liking and commenting on video. There is a secret platform that pay you for liking and commenting on video and completing quick survey. On this platform, you can get a loan of any amount without any collateral or guarantor. They will be requesting only 5,000 people for this opportunity.
No go far, now me be Peller say. If you dey yeah Peller, now me dey tell them say. I just dey go plus to money too. I want to buy tomato, need without it.
Yeah, everybody now they sing. Yeah, nowadays. That was some women who don't sing. Floating Nazi.
Normally, you know fi talk, you know fi come on me.
Anybody me la la song qua no go far na me be Peller say they know they hear me twice I just say impact I know they play.
Oh my god, handsome. I will do this. How you doing? How you doing?
If I go there no go far na me be Peller say if you dey hear Peller na me be
I would never fall in love again to love found her.
Oh, you take it without having
twice, I just say impact. I know they play with friends because they know more friends. In time I no go there, if I go there, talk set. I be Instagram boy, I deflect me. No go far, now me be Peller say. If you dey yeah Peller, now me dey tell them say. Plus to money too. I want to buy tomato, need without it. Anybody me la la song no go far, now me be Peller say. They know they hear me twice, I just say impact. I know they play with friends because they know more friends. In time I no go there, if I go there, talk set. No go far, now me be Peller say. If you dey yeah Peller, now me dey tell them say.
Over so full. Who gives you address of my house?
At least calm down now. Address me well.
You will not dress well.
I just want to congratulate you based on your new car.
No, congratulate me.
Okay, I want to wish you based on your birthday.
No wish me.
Your wish is my command.
I command you to get out of here.
Give me 1 minute, make you stay here now.
I'll give you 1 minute to spend. If anything lost here, you will be consented for 10. You will wait.
Peller is a kind of good man. Over soft million game. It is what you want. I don't know all of the get it better for you.
God have mercy upon us. N fẹ́ sáré gbé àti lọ sí supermarket sí mo ní fìyà.
Plus to money too. I want to buy tomato, need without it. Anybody me la la song no go far, now me be Peller say.
Hello guys, my name is Peller and I'm live here in Port Nigeria Ministry. Hey, Sarah, what's up for my interview?
I be Instagram boy.
I do a good job. Nobody should be even impressed. I put myself.
Now me be Peller say, if you dey hear Peller, now me dey tell them say, I just dey go plus to no go far. Now me be Peller say, if you dey hear Peller, now me dey tell them say, I just dey go plus to money too. I want to buy tomato, need me to eat that too. Anybody me la so pa no go far. Now me be Peller say, they know they hear me twice. I just say impact. I know they play with friends because they know more friend. In time I no go there, if I go there, talk say I be Instagram boy. I deflect Instagram. I go to use to buy. No go far, now me be Peller say, if you dey hear Peller, now me dey tell them say, I just dey go.
No, mi sílẹ̀ nìyẹn o.
No, ìta ni wọ́n rán mi sí.
Ṣé mo sì dé tàbí kọ́ yín lọ́kọ́ ni mo ṣe wà?
No, ó dìgbà tó bá tó bọ́ síta kémi náà tó sọ̀rọ̀ because you're just talking. Àbí ṣé mi lọ sí ilé alágbàfọ̀ ni? Àbọ̀rọ̀ bí mi ti ẹni ilé alágbàfọ̀ rí tí màá fi gbé ẹnu mi fún alágbàfọ̀. Wo àyẹ̀wò mi tó bá sọ 10 èmi gbọ́ sọ 100.
Mommy, it's okay.
Leave your mother, you know she barks like a dog.
Tomiwa, leave your father. And you just knowing your father, you know your father is a man. You should be used to that. Ṣé father lele or father?
Temido.
Yes.
Ṣé mi ló bá wí?
Ìwọ ni. Yeah. Ẹ jẹ́ sáré fún mi ní 2 sec. Àyẹ̀wò mi tó bá súnmọ́ mi, I swear on my life and your life, ìgò yìí máa ń rún mọ́ gbogbo etí ẹ̀.
Temido, Òjọ́lá àlejò tó wà lórí ìjókòó yìí, mi ò fẹ́ pariwo rárá. Mi ò fẹ́ raise voice mi. If not, nǹkan sí bàbá ẹ̀.
Nǹkan tí nǹkan fojú ẹ̀ rí.
Òjọ́lá pé mo wà ń bí àlejò. Honestly speaking, ṣé bí mo ṣe wà yìí, I'm a complete gentleman to the core. Ìyàwó olórí búkú tí mo fẹ́ ló sọ mí di town.
ọ̀tẹ̀ ló ń jẹ́ ìlú ń pè ọ́, kò sẹ́ni tí ò lórúkọ tiẹ̀, àti wípé ọmọ kì í gọ̀ títí sẹ́ẹ̀ kó gbàgbé orúkọ ara rẹ̀. ààfin tèmi ò nílò ìdánimọ̀ lọ́jà, tó bá dọ́jà báyìí wọ́n á mọ̀ bó dọ́jà ni. èmi tí ń tòótọ́ Samuel Owóyẹmí, fẹ́lẹ́fẹ́lẹ́ láyé lórúkọ mi, fẹ́lẹ́ ní gbogbo èèyàn mọ̀ mí sí. èmi náà kọ́, Ọlọ́run ọba òkè ló fún mi ṣe ní gbogbo ìgbà.